Friends, in this session we are going to discuss about IC 555 timer circuit. So this 555 IC is known as timer IC, and this timer IC is literally is integral part of most of the electronic circuits. You can perform various practicals or various applications on it. You can use 555 timer uh, to create pulses. So in this case you can create square wave using this IC 555 timer. You can create uh, the counter. You can count the things using this IC 555 timer. You can use this timer for dimming purpose. So if you change the duty cycle of the output waveform, you will be able to do that. You can also change the frequency of the uh, square wave, so you can use it for pulse generation. You can create delay, you can use it for oscillation purpose. So you can just go through it. You can use the IC 555 for lot many applications. So the aim of this practical is to use IC 555 timer and simulate it using electric circuit studio in your mobile application. Okay, and this IC is available in this electric circuit studio. Just scroll over here. You can get this 555 IC. It is 8 pin IC. Okay, so the in theory I have mentioned the significance of all the 8 terminals. You can just go through it. In your analog electronics also you have this IC in detailed. So in this session I will just tell you how to use it in electric circuit studio. So this is 555 timer IC. Let me take a voltage divider circuit. Let me rotate it. Let me take another resistor and let me rotate that also. Let me adjust the screen. Let me take another capacitor. I will require 2 capacitors over here. Make sure to connect them as the same way as I have shown you. You can take the wire from here. So let us connect as per the circuit diagram. Right, threshold and trigger terminals will be shorted and will be connected to this thing, and discharge pin is connected to your between the two resistances. Now take a voltage source because your VCC or IC requires supply. So up to 15 volts you can give the input. So let me take a DC supply. It is connected. You can undo it using this. Let me connect it. You can zoom for proper connection. Don't forget to use ground. So I have connected the things properly. So let us now put the values. Click on the component. Let us take the voltage source as 10 volt. Let us take the value of resistances as 4.7 K. So the voltage divider circuit of 4.7 K. Okay, let us take this resistance this capacitor value as 0.01 microfarad. This is according to the design. You can design your IC 555 for your particular application. So if you change the value of these resistances and capacitors, you will be able to change the pulse width of your output wave. change this capacitor value to 1 nanofarad. This is according to the design. Okay, so yes, I have connected all the components properly. Now let us check the output. So here go to the output, out. Okay, then click on volt 3, it will become red. Then click on L, then check these boxes and run it. Wait for a while. Yes, so in this way you can check after. First there is some transient, and then you will get a proper square waveform, and you can get, or you can change the width of this square waves by changing the value of these resistances. Here you can change the value to other value. Instead of 4.7k, you can change the value, you can change this capacitor also, and accordingly you will be able to change the width of it and duty cycle of your output waveform. So this is all about your IC555 circuit as a stable multi vibrator. Okay, so it will give you constant square wave output.